2004 VZ Commodore today. It's a Commodore Ute V6 3.6 liter engine. I don't know where to start with this car. This one's just got too many faults. It's got airbag light. It also has a no start, and it's also got some indicator problems and a check engine light as well. So it's got just way too many faults. So I think first thing I'm gonna do is maybe let's do a quick one. Okay, this is gonna be quick one. No start. Okay, so I'm inside the car. You got a VZ Commodore. You try to start the car. I'm just gonna turn the key with my other hand, and you got nothing. No start, right? Like I'm cranking it, nothing's happening. So when you have this problem, you get a very low fuel message on the dash, and service vehicle soon warning comes up. It's got airbag fault as well. That's something different. Fuel gauge error, contact dealer, very low fuel. So all this message comes on the dash and the car doesn't want to crank. Okay, the starter motor doesn't engage. This is a very common problem, very well known for a VZ Commodore, and it's a computer, it's an ECU that's gone bad on this car. So a quick way to get this car to run is go under the bonnet, right here. This is your fuse box under the bonnet. Just pull that fuse box off, and this is your starter motor relay. So you can look here on the description here too, that one there, start relay. Which one? This one right here. Okay, so pull that up. All right, pull that off. Now just find something to jump this pin. Okay, so in this case, let me just put a light there so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, right here. Okay, you got to jump these two pin number 30 and 87, right? This. So I'm just using a split pin. Leave the engine, the key on in the dash, and you just jump this two pin, just like that, and the car starts. All right, that stalled again on me. Sometimes you have to do a couple of times. Well, it doesn't want to start at the moment, so what we do, we just turn the key back off and back on again, and then we go here and jump that pin. Now the car starts, right? Now you can put the relay back in there. Okay, let's put the fuse box back in. Now what happens is you can turn the car off now, and now it will start for you. There you go. See, every time it starts for you. So usually what I found on a VZ Commodore, if you leave this off, the ignition off, car not running after you do the jump start with bridging the relay, after about 10 to 15 minutes later, it will disable again, and you have to do the exact same thing. Go back down there on the relay, jump start it again, and then it will let you start. But once the car is running, you can drive it all day as long as you don't turn the car off. Okay, the problem with this is the ECU, which is right here. That's your engine computer, just bolts up to the on the front of the engine. I have done it many times, buy a new computer from Holden and program it. You can't just put a second-hand ECU on them. You're gonna have to link this with BCM, PIM, and ABS module as well. So that's a quick and easy one. This is going to need a new computer, okay?